Hey guys, this is Luciano, and this is a course I put together for persons interested in learning the basics of Forex. Okay, so this is a beginner course. So if you're someone that is interested in learning how you can earn a living trading Forex, this is a course that you can take. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you want to see how you can make a living trading in the $5.3 trillion market, which is a Forex market, take this course. You will learn the basics, you will learn some of the trading techniques that you can use as a beginner to start making money trading Forex, and you will see how easy it can be to make money trading Forex. So if you're interested in learning how to trade Forex, take this course.